Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to upload videos on video sharing website and put the URL of our website. Okay, so we will go and upload our videos to YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion and MetaCafe. And as we already have the videos, okay, in case you don't know how to create videos, you can go to YouTube. Okay, find your video on your niche, like best gaming laptop. Okay, and then click this filter and you will see that there is an option for creative comma. Make sure you click this thing, and the videos came after you click the creative comma. You can use any of this video to without any copyright infringements, because they are licensed under common creatives. Okay, so by this way you can find a video and upload them. Okay, so we are going to upload videos on YouTube, so sign in and okay. Okay, while the videos is uploading, you will see the video 5 or 10x faster. So I'm going to upload all 5 videos to YouTube. Okay, so I'm pausing this video and I will be right back after the video upload to the YouTube. Okay, so this is the last video and it's about to complete. Now the next thing is to collect the URLs. So this is the first video URL. Copy the URL, go to your Excel management sheet and save the URL. Do this thing by collecting all the video URLs, so in case Google doesn't index our video links, we will index them manually. Okay, okay, so we have uploaded on YouTube, and if I go to our channel, let me first save all changes. Okay, everything is saved. Let's go to Video Manager and check. Okay, so we have all of our YouTube videos, and if you have a Google AdSense account, you can embed them to your AdSense and earn money. So let me upload on one more site to show you how to do on Vimeo. Okay, close. Okay, I'm already logged into Vimeo. Go to upload a video and choose a video file. So I'm going to upload only 2 videos on Vimeo, so select one. Okay, the video is uploading and we can do the so we have uploaded a best Windows 8 laptop and the top 5 waterproof camera. Okay, so the first video is uploaded, and if you go to the video link, don't worry, we have our title, a description, and an egg URL on Vimeo. Let's do the same thing for this video. So go to settings, and this video is for waterproof camera. So here is our title and the description. Save changes. Okay, go to my videos and collect the URL. So this is the URL first. Copy link location, save it here, and copy. Okay, so we have videos on video sharing sites on Vimeo and YouTube. Do the same thing for Dailymotion and MetaCafe. I will do it later on, but this video is to show you that how to create backlink on video sharing website. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.